Now each phase has its own options, but for now let's just click over here the project map and let's click over here the ground floor. Now the project map also allows you to navigate all the views that you're gonna be working on. For example, if you want to view a story of your project, you can click over here the ground floor. Or for example, if you use, let's say we're gonna go over here, viewpoint, we activate the section tool. And let's, for example, click over here, and generate our section. Whenever you use a tool from the viewpoint group, all the new views that you generate, you can review them over here in the project map. So if I just generated a new section, you can, for example, double click the section over here, and that's how you can open the newly generated view. This applies for every view that you generate along your project. You also get, for example, the 3D view that you can also click over here to open the generic perspective. Or you can also activate a parallel view by clicking over here the generic axonometry, which basically is a parallel view of your project. While the generic perspective is a 3-point perspective, the generic axonometry is a parallel view of your model. And besides the 3D options, you also get schedules, you also have all the list, you also have info, like for example you can take notes while you work on your project, which in short is like if you open the Notepad application inside ArchiCad, so you can, for example, take any notes. Or for example, if you have modeled your project, you also can review the quantities, you also have, for example, their schedules, everything that your project has to offer. So in short, the Navigator, as the name implies, it will allow you to navigate all the views and all the documentation that your project has to offer.